Okay, so welcome to tutorial number 17 on the cfinclude, a COLDFUSION tag. Now the cfinclude tag is, if you use other languages such as PSP, you might be familiar with the concept of include, but include file is a way of embedding or including a file within another file. It can be useful if you're reusing code or if you want to control the structure, for example the header and the footer of your website. We'll do a demonstration on that in a minute. So the tag set is very similar, same as other HTML tags. But the difference with the cfinclude, it doesn't have opening and closing tags. It is one combined tag with the actual file name you're going to include. And we're going to do a little demonstration of that now to actually load up cfinclude. So, bit of code I've got here. What I'll do is I just jump to a web page. I've built this little web page. This is the header, this is the main text, and then this is the footer. So we want to jump back to the actual editor and make it a bit bigger. Here we go. So I've got three H tags, the heading tags, which we've introduced before in the other tutorials. So what I want to do is every single page of the website is going to have this the header, and every single page will have a footer. So really what we need to do is we need to take that and we'll create a new page. You don't need any more HTML because it's just going to be included, and I'm just going to save that in the folder header.cfm, go back to my page, and then what I do, just to be lazy, I've got a cfinclude tag here, and I'm going to call it .cfm, and delete that now because it's gone. We'll take this, do it on new page, paste that in there, I'll save as .cfm. There's already one in the roots, so let's replace it. So, go back to my original document, copy this, paste it in. I didn't copy the right line, did I? Copy this, put this back in, and we'll call this. So there we are. What I've done is I've created, from the original web page it had to say all the content in, I've now turned one page in effect to 3-page. This is the main text HTML page, and I'm including a header and a footer. I spelled that correctly. So I'll save that, and I will go back now to my web page. Now the user notices no difference. The page is looking exactly the same. The benefit for you as a coder is within these pages, the header and the footer, you can write whatever you want. You can have the main navigation in there, you can have anything you want, and when you change it in this one place, it changes throughout your site. So any page that has that include file in will automatically be updated. This is a great way not only just to stop having to reuse code, but also one little change can be rolled out across the site. You don't have to have HTML in there, you can have other code in there, so you can have CF statements, CF query statements, any form of code, and again that can be reused. So across the site you have one include file for a certain type of code. So if anything needs to change, like an extra field added to a database or a field removed, you can actually do that in the include files. So, in summary, COLDFUSION includes are a great way to reuse code. It allows you to store code in one place, it allows quicker debugging and testing, and really it is a great way to organise your files. Like I say, if you have all your separate queries in one include file, then it makes it a lot simpler to debug, but also actually to manage that code and for other people to review that code. And that completes the tutorial on cfinclude. Thank you.